I'm John Swain. I'm the product manager for data science and data products at Relevance. We use Neo4j as a graph storage database for analysing social media and influencer data. On my side of the project, the technologies we use MongoDB, so we use a document store. We're using some Hadoop processing, SQL databases, so really quite a mixed environment. And a lot of that data then remains in those systems, so textual data stays in the document store. And what we extract into Neo4j is just a graph representation of the relationships that we're interested in analysing. Okay. I chose Neo4j initially. It was a startup project that I was doing myself, and downloaded Nicole White's our Neo4j library and used the community edition, and just really found it extremely useful and easy to adopt, and immediately realized it was the way that we wanted to develop things, and we've used it ever since. Yeah. Surprises that we've had, well, there was one which is a negative surprise, which was initially that we couldn't run the whole graph algorithms, and that's what I've been talking about today. So we've solved that problem. So the Neo4j 3.0, the APOC library, we can now run those whole graph algorithms like PageRank, between-us centrality, machine learning for community detection, and we've developed some of those libraries and published them through the APOC library. Okay, we're using Neo4j as part of our analysis of the social media and Twitter conversation around the US presidential election. We've done similar projects on voting and political campaigns in the UK, notably the Brexit campaign. And we realised that obviously the presidential election was going to be much bigger than anything else that we'd done before in this space. So we started working with Ryan in developer relations to scale the system, and Ryan and Michael Hunger have given us a lot of support on how to go about clustering and scaling Neo4j to handle the capacity that we needed. Yeah, in terms of the one thing that I would do again, and the thing that I've learned most would be, I come from, amongst other things, but mainly a SQL background. So when you've done it as long as I have, you tend to be able to see the world in terms of relational databases and SQL. And you get used to that. You become pretty quick at modeling in relational databases. However, as soon as you adopt a graph database, you're liberated from this structure, and it's very tempting. It's very subtly get drawn into modeling complex scenarios, which would be very difficult in SQL. And I would probably, if I was going to do this again, I'd probably rein that in a little bit, spend more time on the analysis and less time writing graphs. One thing I would say, having dealt with lots of technology companies over the years, that everyone I've dealt with at Neo4j, the technical support has been fantastic. People are enthusiastic, keen to help, solve our problems. That's been a really pleasurable experience, actually.